A lot of men think this is just aging. Or low hormones. But usually, it's something else, something mechanical. Your blood vessels aren't expanding like they should. Blood flow gets restricted. And performance drops. Poor diet. Low nitric oxide. And stiff, inflamed arteries. Even if everything else feels fine. Your delivery system isn't working. But here's the good news. I'm going to show you powerful natural foods that help open your blood vessels, boost circulation, and support better performance. Don't skip. Because number 3 is the one most men ignore, yet it makes a real difference. So stay with me. And while you're watching, drop a comment. Where are you tuning in from? Why does this happen? Food number 1, beetroot. Beetroot is one of the most powerful natural ways to support circulation. It's packed with nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide, the compound that tells your blood vessels to relax and widen. In clinical studies, a single dose of beetroot juice was shown to increase nitric oxide levels by over 20% within 45 to 90 minutes in healthy adults. That means wider blood vessels, better blood flow, and improved delivery of oxygen-rich blood throughout your body, including the tissues that need it most. Wider vessels, better flow, better performance. Plus, beetroot also lowers blood pressure, reduces inflammation, boosts stamina, improves digestion, supports liver health, enhances brain function, strengthens immunity, regulates blood sugar, improves skin health, and helps with weight management, all in one simple, natural food. For best results, start taking beetroot in the evening, ideally a few hours before winding down. Drink 1 small glass, about 150 to 200 milliliters, of fresh beetroot juice daily, or blend 1 medium beetroot into a smoothie or juice. You can also lightly roast or steam beetroot if you prefer it cooked. Just avoid overcooking to preserve the nitrates. Most people start noticing improved circulation and better energy within 3 to 5 days, and more consistent effects on performance and stamina after about 2 to 3 weeks of daily intake. Now, that's just the first fruit. Don't skip fruit number 3. It's one most men completely overlook, but it can make a huge difference in blood flow and stamina. Next up, we're moving to a kitchen staple that's probably already in your pantry. And it's about to unlock another powerful way to boost your circulation naturally. Food number 2, garlic. Garlic is more than a flavor boost. It's a powerful circulation supporting food. It helps your body produce more nitric oxide, which tells blood vessels to relax and widen. That means blood can flow more freely. And your body gets better delivery where it matters most. Research shows that regular garlic intake can lower systolic blood pressure by around 7 to 9 mHg and diastolic pressure by about 4 to 6 mHg in people with high blood pressure. Thanks to compounds like allicin that improve blood vessel flexibility and nitric oxide availability. Even small amounts of garlic daily can start supporting your circulation within 3 to 5 days, and more noticeable improvements in vascular function typically appear after 2 to 3 weeks of consistent intake. Garlic also strengthens immunity, fights infections, reduces cholesterol, supports heart health, lowers inflammation, improves digestion, enhances brain function, helps manage blood sugar, protects the liver, and may reduce the risk of certain cancers, all from one simple clove. For best results, start taking garlic in the morning, ideally before meals. Use 1 raw or lightly crushed clove daily, eat it as is, add to salads, mix into dressings, or lightly cook it. Avoid overcooking to preserve its active compounds. Most people start noticing improved circulation and energy within 3 to 5 days, and more consistent effects on stamina, blood pressure, and vascular function after 2 to 3 weeks of daily intake. And remember, don't skip fruit number 3. Coming next is one most men completely overlook, and it's packed with nutrients that help boost nitric oxide even more. Next up, a sweet, refreshing fruit that's easy to include every day, and offers a powerful natural boost to your circulation. Food number 3, watermelon. Watermelon isn't just refreshing. It's a powerful fruit for circulation. It's rich in citrulline, which your body converts into arginine, a key compound that boosts nitric oxide and helps blood vessels relax. It also hydrates your system, which is critical for maintaining smooth blood flow and healthy circulation. Research shows that daily watermelon or citrulline intake can increase nitric oxide levels by up to 15 to 20%, helping improve blood flow and exercise performance. Watermelon also supports heart health, reduces inflammation, aids digestion, improves hydration, helps manage blood pressure, boosts stamina, supports kidney function, protects against oxidative stress, enhances skin health, and can improve mood and energy levels, all naturally. For best results, start taking watermelon in the evening or as a light snack. Aim for 1 to 2 cups of fresh slices daily, simple, natural, and easy to include in your routine. Most people notice better circulation and hydration within 3 to 5 days, and improvements in stamina and overall blood flow after about 2 to 3 weeks of consistent intake. This is fruit number 3, don't skip it. It's one of the most overlooked foods for boosting nitric oxide naturally, and it works best when combined with the other 2 we just covered. Next, we'll move to another easy to find food that supports circulation and stamina, and you'll see why number 4 complements everything you've already done. Food number 4, dark leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach and kale aren't just nutrient dense, they're powerful for blood flow. They're packed with natural nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, helping blood vessels relax and widen. That means better circulation, reduced stiffness in arteries, and improved oxygen delivery throughout your body, including the tissues that matter most. Research shows that regular intake of leafy greens can boost nitric oxide production by up to 12 to 15%, improving vascular flexibility and overall blood flow. These greens also support heart health, lower inflammation, strengthen immunity, improve digestion, help manage blood pressure, reduce oxidative stress, enhance brain function, support eye health, aid weight management, and boost energy levels, all in one simple serving. For best results, add 1 to 2 cups of dark leafy greens to your meals daily, raw in salads, lightly sautéed, or blended into smoothies. Start today, and most people notice improved circulation and energy within 3 to 5 days, with more consistent effects after 2 to 3 weeks. This is fruit and veggie number 4, don't skip it. It pairs perfectly with the first 3 foods and keeps your blood vessels flexible and ready for optimal performance. Next, we'll move to another natural powerhouse that complements everything so far and boosts circulation in a simple, everyday way. Food number 5, cayenne pepper, circulation activator. Cayenne pepper isn't just spicy. It's a natural circulation booster. It contains capsaicin, a compound that stimulates blood flow, improves vessel flexibility, and increases circulation speed throughout the body. Research shows that capsaicin can enhance blood flow by up to 15 to 20%, helping oxygen and nutrients reach your tissues faster and more efficiently. Cayenne pepper also supports heart health, lowers blood pressure, reduces inflammation, boosts metabolism, enhances digestion, improves stamina, strengthens immunity, helps with weight management, supports healthy arteries, and may reduce pain and oxidative stress, all from a small pinch. For best results, start with a small pinch daily, added to meals, smoothies, or warm drinks. Most people notice a warming sensation and improved circulation within minutes, with more consistent benefits on blood flow and stamina after 1 to 2 weeks of daily use. This is food number 5, don't skip it. It works best combined with the first 4 foods to naturally support nitric oxide production and keep your circulation running at its peak. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video so more men can discover these natural ways to boost blood flow and performance. Remember, it's not about quick fixes or pills. It's about giving your body the support it needs, consistently, over time. Start with these 5 foods today. Stick with them, and in just a few weeks, you'll notice improved circulation, better stamina, and more natural performance. And don't forget, check back in the comments. And let me know which food you're trying first and how it's working for you. Your body is capable of more than you think. Nourish it right, and it will deliver naturally.